Miss Colette Ochoa. Total commissions totaling 490,000 and 20 centavos.
Good morning, iFern members! Good morning, soon-to-be iFern members! Welcome po sa inyong lahat dito po sa World Trade. I know despite of the very bad weather, talagang sinikap niyo na pumunta po dito. Katulad po namin, we are so excited. This day is really a very memorable day to many of us. And nung nakita ko po to, nung inawardan po to sa akin, parang right now I get to remember 6 years ago, yung first check ko po sa Fern Inc. Okay? It was a 30,000 check. Now I see this one close to 300,000. Sabi ko, matindi to. Times 10 ang power ng iFern. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank from the bottom of my heart, the management for making this iFern. Matagal na naming hinihintay to. Okay? And of course, I'd like to thank the Lord above for this very big provisions in my life. And of course, to my fellow GCell friends, partners, grabe, matindi talaga kayo. Salamat sa suporta nyo. And of course, to my junior business partners, co-leaders, maraming salamat. Matindi, let's work. This is just the start of a journey. Okay, this is just the start of a journey. Marami pa tayong dapat gawin, marami pa tayong taong dapat tulungan out there. Dahil maraming taong whose lives we're going to touch and change. Okay, with that, thank you very much po.